A problem Martin County Sheriff William Snyder says is a public safety issue. A growing number of homeless encampments and vagrants, that is people who are homeless and have come from out of county or out of state and may be homeless by choice. WPTV's Kate Hussey is finding out the facts in what we know is a complex issue with no easy solution.
Through the Hope Sound trees, deputies walk us back to a hidden camp.
Here we go.
Sheriff William Snyder.
This is private property, obviously.
Yes. Seeing it with us for the first time.
Commonly referred to as a homeless camp.
Not tents nor campfires, but a much different sight.
Unfortunately, we'll find a mixture of garbage out here, including human excrement.
This homeless encampment here in Hope Sound, one of several Sheriff Snyder says he's seeing pop up throughout the county. You can see old batteries, broken down bicycles, and piles upon piles of trash. A problem he says is mounting.
I don't remember 20, 25 years ago seeing this kind of behavior.
Snyder says this camp has probably been here for months. Cleaning it up falls on the county to complete and on the property owner to pay for. But Snyder's real issue is with those he says create the mess.
We have homeless, could be living right here or in a private property near you, that have warrants. We know of two now.
Those two people are wanted on burglary charges in other states. According to the warrants, both have violent histories. At least one is known to be armed and dangerous. And just this week, deputies arrested 66-year-old Richard Groover, also homeless, after they say he followed a Stewart woman home. The interaction captured on her Ring camera.
Is this her house?
Nobody told you to follow anybody anywhere, man. You better leave before I call the cops.
Deputies say they found Groover hiding out near the home. When they arrested him, they say his address was listed as Stewart nonprofit Love and Hope in Action, which Snyder fears draws more drifters in.
That's our fear. I get that people want to do a good thing. They don't want anybody to be hungry. But balanced with their desire to not see people be hungry is public safety. Although I couldn't give you the exact solution, I will tell you unequivocally, this ain't it.
But at the nonprofit, founder Brenda Dickerson sees the problem from a different angle.
We're here to help anyone in need. If I were homeless or in a bad situation, I would be Googling a shelter. Homeless services, food pantries, soup kitchens. So, of course, in a Google search, we're going to pop right up there in Martin County.
Dickerson says the facility offers showers, food, and clothing, but doesn't house anyone, so Groover never once lived there.
We're also very aware of the background of a lot of these people. Just make ourselves aware of who is here and let the staff know as well. If somebody has a current warrant out for their arrest, we're not going to be harboring them.
Dickerson says the people she serves vary, but the majority are seniors now homeless for the first time, burdened by the cost of living, with only a small few homeless by choice.
Is there something that we should be doing more to help address that, whether it's a mental health issue or other?
Yeah, I mean, we can't force anybody to do anything. If they're here and they're causing problems on our property, there are consequences to their behavior. Our client services staff is doing their very best to refer people to these agencies that can help them.
That was Kate Hussey reporting. Governor Ron DeSantis recently signed legislation prohibiting squatting and camping in public places. Sheriff Snyder says many of those encampments, though, are happening on private property. So without permission from property owners, there's really not much deputies can do. So he is considering asking lawmakers to amend that new bill to give law enforcement more power to work with those owners.